Hi guys, Physchem with Liz here. A thing I'm often asked by students is that they want to study chemistry but they feel that their math skills aren't good enough. Now first of all, you don't need to be a mathematical genius in order to study chemistry at college, undergraduate, university level or postgraduate, PhD level. Now having good math skills certainly will help make your studies easier, but it's not the main most important thing. The most important thing is interest in your subject and resilience, so the ability to be able to stick with a problem and to relish and enjoy a challenge and not be beaten by it. As for math skills, all you really need to be happy with is things like significant figures, being able to use and rearrange equations, and simple algebra. And you probably aren't as bad at maths as you think you are, so don't let that hold you back. It's entirely possible to pick it up as you go along. I wasn't the best at maths. I actually learned it and picked it up as I went along during chemistry lessons. And that's why I made this channel, in order to simplify the mathematical aspects of chemistry, as not everyone has the best start in maths at school, and that can in some ways feel like it hinders your progress with pursuing subjects with a lot of maths in them. So anyway, in chemistry, the context helps you understand the maths a lot more, and it is entirely possible to pick it up as you go along. So there we are. I hope this video was helpful, and good luck with your studies.